This is how you can get access to over $4,000 in bonuses absolutely free when you get Syllabi.io. Now, if you've never heard of Syllabi, this is a faceless AI software that can make viral short form videos, Instagram videos, long form YouTube videos literally in minutes. Now, in this video, I'm just going to be talking about the bonuses, but if you want to see my full review on Syllabi.io, make sure to check out this video right here. And also, if you want to know my exact step-by-step training on how you can go viral and create a faceless AI brand using Syllabi, check out this video right here. Now let's dive in and let me show you the bonuses. Now I'm super excited to walk you through how you can get access to these insane bonuses, okay? Because again, the software itself is designed to help you go viral and start making money online without having to create videos with your own face and your own voice, okay? Now there's a few things here in this bonus stack that's gonna help you so much more and make so much more money, okay? Now bonus number one is you're gonna get my YouTube secret sauce, okay? Now, if you're looking to get YouTube monetized within 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm talking about guaranteed monetization, okay? Now, what does that mean? That means you're gonna have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch hours. That way you can get monetized. And all that means is once you start creating videos, all the videos that you create, those videos will now make money, but you have to be monetized first. And the only way to do that is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now in this bonus, I walk you through a quick process on how you can use this hack, or I call it my secret sauce, on how you can get monetized within 2 to 3 weeks. Now I've done this with multiple students and multiple faceless YouTube channels that I've created. All right, now bonus number two is super exciting, okay? And I'm gonna show you an example of what this looks like, but essentially I'm giving you 2,700 faceless AI video ideas. Not only ideas, but different niches, okay? So it's insane what we've created, okay? So still my top niches. That way, all you have to do is really plug and play into the Syllabi software, and literally you can start making videos, or at least the first 2,700 videos, I laid them out for you. Now, let me show you an example of what this looks like. All right, so this is what the spreadsheet looks like. Obviously, I don't want everyone to have access to this, only people that have the bonus, so that's why I'm blurring out. But the way it works is I give you a list of the best niches that you can start, okay? Now, here's the kicker. Here's the best part about this bonus, okay? Let's just say you go to the first niche right here, AI news. Let's just say you want to create a channel on that using Syllabi. Well, all you have to do is click on this. And as you can see, I'm giving you the entire titles that you can copy and paste into Syllabi, okay? So you don't even have to think about the ideas. You just copy and paste. Now, not only did I do that, I actually give you the search volume for all of these titles, okay? And then what are the suggested search terms that you should look for, okay? So literally all you have to do is copy and paste for every single niche, okay? And that's the beauty of what I've created here, okay? And then what's cool is you can go back to the navigation, and it's gonna go back to the main menu where you can go and find other niches, other ideas. And I give you literally 2,700 faceless video ideas. All right, so bonus number three is gonna be actually super helpful for those who are creating a YouTube channel. Now, for those who don't know me, I've actually created multiple YouTube channels that have gone on to do over 50,000 subscribers at least. My wife's channel, Alicia Darlene, has done over 70,000 subscribers. My channel's almost at 100,000 subscribers. And then I have multiple faceless YouTube channels that have gone over 20, 30, 40,000 subscribers, which I'm not going to show because these are my faceless channels. But what I'm going to teach you in this bonus number three is how to grow a YouTube channel, okay? Now, this was a training that I gave my high-level students. They actually paid over $2,000 to be inside of this training. Now, I'm going to give you access to this entire coaching session, again, as a bonus just for getting Syllabi. Now, the cool thing about that YouTube bonus is it's going to go in depth if you really want to get good at YouTube, because I take that framework and I can do it again and again and again in different niches. So if you take what I'm teaching you inside of that course and you take the Syllabi software, you can grow very quickly. All right, so bonus number 4, okay? So this is for those who maybe you don't have a product to sell, you're not sure how to write emails. Well, what I'm giving you is literally a done for you white label course, okay? Now what this does is you can give out a course as your own, and literally you can start building your email list. You can start making money with multiple affiliate products. I give you everything that you need to start building an email list and start making money, even over 300 pre-written emails, because I want to make sure with this bonus stack, you have everything that you need, right? So you have obviously the software that, creates the videos for you. Now you have the ideas to, feed the software. And then of course you have my strategy on how to blow up on YouTube, but some people just don't have a product to sell, right? So that's what bonus number 4, it's going to help you figure out a product to sell. More importantly, start building that email list, okay? And of course, once you get access to it, I show you exactly how to set it up, how to promote multiple different products. It's literally a plug and play setup, okay? Now, bonus number 4, you get access to this inside of System.io or Funnel Freedom, okay? So those 2 different softwares is how you would get access to bonus number 4. All right, so bonus number 5 is for those who don't have a product to sell, okay? So again, that's what bonus number 4 was, is I'm giving you the funnel, but bonus number 5 is essentially allowing you to promote my affiliate program and get 70% commissions. Now, if you just sign up as a regular affiliate, you get 40% commissions, but with this particular bonus, I'm gonna bump you up to 70% commissions for the next 3 months. And that's anything from low ticket to some of my higher ticket products that can range from $2,000 to even $5,000. Okay, you're gonna get 70% of that. Okay, now as you can see, we've paid out, actually this is an old screenshot, but over $2 million to affiliates. We have over 27,000 affiliates signed up for our program. If you've never seen our affiliate program, you can check it out at this link right here. You can sign up for free either way, even if you don't have this bonus. But with this bonus, I'm bumping you up to 70% commissions. Okay, and of course, once you get access to everything, I show you how to sign up, how it works, how you can make more money, stuff like that. Okay, now I want to show you how you can get access to these bonuses. But if you're excited about these bonuses for Syllabi.io, say I want the super bonuses down below in the comments, and let me show you the 3 quick steps on how to get access. All right, so step number 1 is you do need to sign up for a yearly subscription of the Faceless AI software Syllabi through my affiliate link. Okay, so you have to click on this, you have to sign up for the yearly subscription. Okay, now when you first sign up, it's actually going to sign you up as a 7-day free trial. Okay, we can't give out the bonus for the free trial. Okay, so what you need to do is inside of Syllabi, okay, I'm going to go to Syllabi, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on this on the top right of your account, assuming that you already got your 7-day free trial. You're going to scroll down to where it says billing information. So when you click on billing information, you're going to see this screen right here. Okay, now this is really important. Okay, this is where you can upgrade your account. Okay, so for example here, I can go and upgrade to the account right here, and that's going to give me the yearly account. Okay, now you'll notice here, this has to be on annual. Okay, if it's not on annual, you can't get the bonuses. Okay, that's just because these bonuses are very valuable. I know they're going to help you get results, especially with this insane, amazing software. Okay, so make sure it's not on the monthly, it has to be on the annual. Okay, very, very important. And then once you do that, once you upgrade your account, number 3, you send an email to my support team. At this email, the subject line needs to say Syllabi annual bonus. That way we know what it is. And then basically we just need a screenshot that you upgraded to the annual plan. Also, let us know which email that you purchased with. And then once we verify, we cross-reference, we make sure it's the yearly plan, we give you access to the bonuses and everything that I mentioned. Now, if you want to go through this document yourself, step by step, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll leave the document down below. That way you can can get the affiliate link in there and all the instructions on how to get these bonuses. Okay, I know these bonuses are going to help you when you use syllabi.io, because I crafted these perfectly because I knew what you needed to create a successful business. At the end of the day, I don't want you just to create viral videos. That doesn't really matter to me. Okay, I want to show you how to actually create a business. Okay, because I've made millions of dollars online, and that's why I crafted these bonuses in this way. Okay, so super excited. Let me know if you have any questions, and God bless.